Look right there, Becca. Cole on the road, and it's potato day. So we planted these potatoes back in March, and we've been feeding them, fertilizing, and now we're picking them up. So far, that's what we've got out of one plant bed.
That's a good sized potato.
I want a picture of that one.
Okay.
That's a dirigible right there.
That's a good sized potato.
All right, get that little one.
The whole family to eat that one. Yeah.
Potatoes, what you do is you take a whole potato that has the different eyes on it, and you cut it into chunks. And each one of those chunks can have one or more little eyes. You plant that, and the plant grows from there.
I'm looking right here.
Potatoes are a lot like people. Each one looks totally different, but when you fry them up with ketchup, they taste really great. Well, we got everything dug up. We planted about 2 pounds of potatoes, and right there's probably about 20 to 25 pounds of potatoes.